guys, so today I'm going to unwrap this. This is a slime supplies kit. It is a 55 pack slime beads, charms. It includes fishbowl beads, foam balls, glitter jars, fruit flower enamel slices, pearls, slime tool for DIY slime making, homemade slime, girl slime party. So let's go and then take this out and show you guys what we got. Wow, some of the beads already on the sticker. Looks like some of the beads are loose. Go and then come with this Ziploc bag, so let's go and unzip it. Remove the tape out first. So you got this yellow foam balls. Purple. Oh no, what's this? Mustard yellow or mixed with the orange balls. Got this bigger hot pink. Got the purple. So this is mix up all the stuff. So wow, look at my hand so glittery now. The finger. So I gotta be careful. And this is made in China. And you got this cutting tool, which is cool. So I'm not sure, do I need to count it? It's supposed to be 55 in here. This one. So this is like an animal character. Nice. Oh, some of them kind of flew out. Oh, that look like a fruit, lemon, grapefruit, apple, or watermelon, kiwi. Different kind of fruit in here. And this is like a purple beads. Oh my god, is it coming out? Yeah, it is. So yeah, make sure I seal the back. Somehow I guess during shipment it got open or something, so there's this one like an orange color. Wow, I got the silver, metallic silver. And this is like a neon green. And then you got this blue. And this mix up the different kind of beads. And this is like a pearl white. Purple. Red. And this is a crystal clear. Smiley emoji faces. And this is clear. And this is pink. And then the rest of them are like this, I don't know, this is like a star flakes. And it's like a metallic navy blue. And then this looks like a snowflakes. And then a whole bunch of different color inside this tube. Not sure what is that. Oh, this one's kind of open. Let me make sure I screw it in there. Oh my god. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my god. Something spilled. And then this brown color. Got this yellow. Got the white. So many colors. So many different stuff. This looks like a moon or something, so a moon shape. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And I will include a link that is going to show you in the description for this, where I get the merch from. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.